the level of strategies using this extra feature is mind-blowing. You guys make a profit already. Wait until you get your hands on this. First things first, before we get into the YouTube video, a huge shout out to all of my next gen automated traders that have been absolutely milking the markets using the next gen system, absolutely crushing it. They're putting in the work, they're putting in the effort, and they're getting the results. Prop firms passed, prop firm withdrawals, lots of blue days. That's what we like to see. In one of my recent YouTube videos, I showed you some fantastic updates that are coming to the next gen AI automated trading system and the Forex Club dashboard area. Today in this YouTube video, I'm going to show you the new trading updates, which are going to help you completely revolutionize your automated trading experience. So already it is crazy. We're getting good results. We're seeing traders passing prop firm challenges, getting withdrawals. You've just seen at the start of this YouTube video, but now we've gone a step further. And to be totally honest, I don't know how I can actually make trading any more easier than what I'm about to show you. So at the moment, as you guys know, because you've been watching my YouTube videos, you can click on the Wizard AI. This is a AI agent which has thousands and thousands of automated trading strategies for you to input into the next gen automated trading system. So for example, I could ask it now, how many settings do you have for the next gen trading strategy? Right now, the data I've got is all for one strategy name, the Next Gen Exclusive Club. That is our full automated trading system. Across that, there are 160,337 different strategies. That's just in the AI agent. You actually have millions available through our other AI system called the Strategy Wizard. But here are different settings to get you started. So for example, I could say, give me the top 5 strategies for XAU USD 15-minute time frame with a strike rate above 70% and drawdown below, let's say, 5% and profit anywhere between 40% and let's say 80%, right? I click send. What the system's going to do now, it's going to search its 160,000 strategy database and it's going to extract for me exactly what I want. The top 5 strategies for gold on the 15-minute time frame. So here we are matching your results. I mean, it's a bit bigger for you so you can see. It's actually giving me more than 5, it's gave me 10. So what I'm going to do now, I'm literally going to say, give me row 10, okay? Row 10. Now, each of these may look a little bit similar, but there'd be slightly different variations. So row 10, I simply click copy. I go over to the next gen system, which is here. So this is the current next gen system. Take a good look at this because it's about to change whilst I show you the new, improved, updated version. So this is what we currently can do. We go to AI code, we click paste the AI code set. We let AI do its thing. It's going to now upload this strategy. We can see at the minute it says 68%. Boom. We're going to 71% now and a 50% profit. Ideal. Then I'll go on to the settings and I can make some adjustments, right? I can adjust this however I like. I can adjust the risk reward ratio, the stop loss size. I can make this strategy totally bespoke to me. That's what we currently do. And that's how we're currently getting some fantastic results. We can see all the data that we need, our month-to-month profit and loss. We can see max active wins, losses, what sessions made good profit, what sessions didn't make good profit. Also, what days of the week make good profit and doesn't make good profit. And of course, long or shorts. What makes the best profit? Long, shorts, or both? Strategies are totally bespoke to you. So what's the difference with the new next gen? Well, let's take a look. So I'm going to turn it on. This is the current prototype, which is going to beta testing. I mean, look at this, right? So this is no strategy in particular. This is random settings. We have a whole new look and feel to this now. We can see Of course, we've got your month-to-month profit and loss still. This is very important to traders. We have your consecutive wins and losses, also very important to traders. What's more profitable, long and shorts? Of course, we're on our monthly average return. All that data is important to traders, so that stays the same. But what I've done here, this is just one of the upgrades. Now, if I hovered over, let's say London session, for example, boom, it's going to tell me what days of the week are most profitable throughout London session. So for example, we can see here, Tuesdays and Thursdays actually made me losses over the last 12 months in London session. So instead of me saying, my London session looks all right, it made me $3,997 over the last 12 months, I might keep that. Well, what I might actually do now is just go, do you know what? I'm just going to turn off Tuesday and Thursdays. And now it's going to make London session even more profitable. Because what we're doing now, we're seeing an extra layer deeper of data from our coding. We managed to break through and be able to extract that extra level now, so we can now see deeper as traders, but not take up any more of our time. So we're still going to do the exact same process, what we've done with the current existing next gen, but we've got even more data now to make even more improved top quality strategies, help us pass prop firms, and of course help us get paid, right? So only job as traders, but without taking up any more of our time. So we haven't got to do anything different, but we've got even more data to help us improve our strategies. So I can simply just go, perfect, I'll go into the settings, I can come down here and look at this, Tokyo session. I can turn off any day of the week I want throughout Tokyo session. Same with London, New York and Sydney. If I just want to trade Tokyo altogether, I can just turn it off. And that's it now, look, it's locked out. Tokyo session is off. I'll click OK. Look, Tokyo session is now 0. Very, very simple, but extremely effective. Now, I've of course been testing this in the background, and the strategies that I've been creating, the level of strategies which is possible using this. This is just one of the extra features, by the way. Using this extra feature is mind-blowing. You guys are going to have a lot of fun with this. You guys making profit already. Wait until you get your hands on this. There is a beta testing group going live, which you guys are going to be in. Now, by the time this YouTube video goes live, most of you will already be in that. So I want to see you comment under this YouTube video and let me know how you're getting on testing this at the moment. Of course, across the bottom, we've got the overall P&L for each day of the week. Now, we can also hover over a session and it will tell us what would happen if I turn Sydney session off. Because there's a crossover, isn't there, between New York and Sydney. It would tell me the approx value of profit or loss will get distributed once I turn Sydney off onto the New York session. Now, you guys don't need to know all the mechanics that are happening behind the scenes, exactly how all the mathematics and probabilities and confluences all work. You just don't. It's like when you buy a supercar, right? You get in your Ferrari. You don't care how fast the pistons are moving, how quickly the fuel is igniting. You just care that it's loud, it's going to piss the neighbours off, and you can put your foot down and get some top speeds. You don't care about anything else what's happening, right? It's the same with this. This is going to get the job done. This is going to help you pass prop firm challenges, help you get funded, help you get paid. Exactly the reason why you bought a supercar. You want to go fast. It's going to help you go fast, right? Exactly the same. The key is to make sure when you get your hands on a tool like this, you don't overthink it and you're using the tool for the exact reason why you wanted the tool in the first place. Just like a Ferrari, you want a supercar. You want like something you want to go fast, right? You're using it for that. You're not opening up the engine, trying to take all the engine apart, trying to suss out exactly how those wheels are going around. You don't care about that. Same as this. You get everything you hear that you need. Don't overthink it. Just get stuck in. You've got all the video tutorials that are going to show you how to use everything here step by step. So to get the next update, we can now see we have another entry type. So current entry type is we can choose enter off any candle, engulfing, high or low test, or both engulfing or high or low test. So even if I select one of these, I can now actually see how that would impact my strategy if I say, well, actually, I just want to enter off a bullish engulfing candle, if I had engulfing candle selected here, right? Or a bullish high or low test, or bearish. Or we can use this special feature called magic candle, which I'm going to go into more detail about in the tutorials. But this is going to be a game changer for a lot of you. So here we can see already we have some amazing new features that have come to the existing next gen. We also have another update going live, which is going to be the new aggressive one that we touched on about in a previous YouTube video. Now, the updates here aren't over. We have made this even easier than you can imagine. So I showed you guys copying the AI code and it automatically sets up your strategy. Well, now with the brand new strategy wizard, you can click on AI code and I can automatically copy from my strategy builder system, which is what you can see now, to my automated trading system. I can click set and it automatically copy these settings into my automated trading version. That means you don't need to copy and paste each setting, which of course removes human error. You can do one click of a button on here, AI code, copy my settings over because I'm ready now for automated trading, set, done. Automated trading is ready to go. Make your alert, I set your trading. Simple as that. I can also take any strategy I like from my spreadsheet. Once we've run the strategy wizard AI, you get your spreadsheet of data for every single strategy you've tested. I simply copy the AI code from the spreadsheet, paste it in here, click set, bang. Done once again. No more copying and pasting each setting from the spreadsheet into your automated trading system. Everything is done automatically. We have the potential to completely automate nearly every step of this process. And I'm going to keep making it. And again, I'm not sure how I'm going to keep making it, but I'm going to keep making it as easier and as quickly and as efficient for you guys to be able to get into trading, have a great system using a great strategy and get into that live market. Why? Because why delay the inevitable? You could spend years trying to manually trade on your own, fail, and then bang, you can come here, you can be trading within a week comfortably. If I can have you in the market trading just through using speed of system, don't forget you can back test a year's worth of data in 3 seconds. You can use the AI code now, copy and paste, bang, copy and paste, bang. Setting everything up for you, quick. Getting you guys in the market, bringing that barrier to entry through time much lower. So you're not wasting your time. You're not wasting you trying to get to that end goal, which is becoming a profitable trader. This system has been designed and created around that. Help you guys get into that market of a good system, something that you can trust, bang, in the market, nice and quick, no messing about. So a lot of traders give up. Trying to learn to trade manually for 3, 6, 9, 12 months. They go, oh, I can't do this, and they give up. But the most one you could do it is run out of patience with the learning. But with this, you're going to learn so quickly. Like within a week, you're going to watch the tutorials, you'll pretty much understand the system. For another week, you're most probably going to have all your strategies set up. You're really going to understand how the system works now. You've had a bit of mentorship, watch the tutorials, you're ready to go. So here is just a mini insight into some of the brand new upgrades that are going to be launching very, very soon for the next gen full automated trading system. And these are going to be absolutely huge. They're beautiful updates. The system is looking beautiful, nice and modern. We've got the updates to the website coming, which I showed you guys on one of the previous YouTube videos. All this is all going to happen at the same time. It's going to take us from this level right up to this level. And then from there, I can get your guys feedback. Do you like it? What do you want to see more of? What don't you want to see more of? And then we can push again. So I need your feedback as well, which is really important. So guys, this is it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.